Fly too sick, man, I gon' need a medic. Obviously I fly, LV on my belly. Don't be the kind, that time my pocket heavy. Have money on my brain, keep talk what you're saying. Talk out with the code that I serve, not the lane. Ice on my neck that shine like a chain. Now that money, man, I know what you're saying. Bitcoin hot, I'm study stocks. I want all the hood, I'm a not that up. I'm flying like this, now I don't need a gas. I'm up on the line, anywhere up on the map.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at my two trades on the NASDAQ 100 today. So it's January 22nd. We had bullish movement last week. You can see last week Friday close was bullish. So today naturally my bias was bullish. I was able to exit at around 6. So typically around 6 o'clock, that's when I'm exiting, because if I don't feel like it's going to continue, if I feel like I'm comfortable taking this win, and today it was about a $40 win, I was like, let me just take it. I don't feel that conviction, so I didn't think I'm going to just continue and let it run. So I just took some profits there. I decided to re-enter when I thought it was going to continue. It didn't. It knocked me out for about $8 loss, so I just took that and didn't make any more trades for the day, because typically I go for 2 trades for the day max, or 3 when I'm going really risky. So this one, I wasn't feeling too confident on the move. I saw like something with my other strategy, looking at the fibs. I saw when it hit a fib point and just started to reject. So that was like 2 things telling me not to trade it, right? So the first trade, look at when I entered. Naturally, you know, I typically enter closer to the market open. So you can see at the 1 candle here, I entered. Let's go here. So doing it, oh, my apologies, because somebody had recommended this, going with the long position. So you can see this is where I entered, and then put in my entry. That's my entry price there. And then here's my stop loss, 17,397. Oh, my apologies. No, this was my stop loss, 17,350. Right? And then this is where I actually took profits. What's going on here? This doesn't look correct. 17,381.84. Stop loss of 17,350. Profit of 17,397. Is this accurate? Because where did I take profits? What is going on here? So we're looking at the right time zone. Why does it seem a little off? And where did I take profit? On the 13. But the 13 was at. So the take profit is wrong. Because I know something about it just looks a little odd. So this is where my stop loss was. And then I took profit here on this candle. You can see it was a little bit higher. I could have gotten out a little bit higher, yes, but I was comfortable with that. I got a good entry, kept the risk there. You can see my stop loss would have gotten hit if I had waited a little bit longer. So this one I made profit of 39.08, exited on this candle. So sometimes when you feel comfortable in the position and you don't want to continue the risk, you just sell out and have the day play out. After then, I had entered another buy side trade, looking for the market to continue. So you see, I'm entering on bearish movement. So I'm looking to get that move, looking to get that entire move. So this was my entry. This is where I actually got stopped out. So can't put that as a profit level. Can actually put this a little higher at 17,500. So that's where I got stopped out there. So I was looking for it to go a little higher. The market basically came down, knocked me out on the next candle. right here. So at that point, I didn't make any more trades on the day. The next candle would have definitely cleared me out, and we wouldn't have been up for the rest of the day, even if I had set a bigger stop loss. So you see where that doesn't even really make sense. Doesn't make sense to risk more to try to stay in the trade. Let the trade tell you that you're wrong and go on with your day. Right? So that's basically what happened today. For tomorrow, what's happening tomorrow? I think LMT earnings are tomorrow, Lockheed Martin, and then also you have Johnson and Johnson earnings as well. You have Logitech earnings as well. Netflix is gonna be tomorrow after hours. Not sure how big Netflix is gonna move, but Netflix is typically a mover, When is it? After hours, Tuesday, after hours, after market close. Netflix is a mover, bro. Tesla, Tesla has earning after hours Wednesday. Tesla is can get a move to the downside. What is it looking like? Because I'm trying to figure out like what has been the trend for these stock. It doesn't look like indices. I mean, Tesla clearly is in a downtrend. Like down. Look at this down. Could have played. Wow, this can be played. Look at that. You get those gappers. You get these gappers. This is earnings too. Wow. Wow. Okay. I guess sometimes the options are so overpriced that you don't know. But I'm looking at this. Just looking at the trend, daily trend. They had seen this. You just continued the downtrend. Could have rode this for a good little while. We're almost at a pivot point. Or we are at a pivot point. Is it a pivot point or a meltdown point? You can see it right there. The area or it goes lower. So let's see what happens. We also have 3M earnings tomorrow. MMM. This is hard though. 3Ms. And that one is overall bullish. Let's see what happens. I'll see you in the next video. Sorry, my eyes are scratching. Bye bye.